Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the Word file and immediately turn on Show/Hide so you can see manual breaks and paragraph marks. This reveals the exact cause. You should save a quick backup before changing pagination. Next, click into the paragraph directly above the unwanted page break so you're editing the source, not guessing. Once done, you'll be ready to use the paragraph dialog to control pagination rules. This single route prevents Word from inserting automatic page breaks that disrupt your layout. With the cursor in the problematic paragraph, open the paragraph dialog and switch to line and page breaks. Uncheck page break before if it's set. That directly removes forced page breaks. Then evaluate keep lines together and keep with next. Use keep lines together to prevent intra-paragraph splits and keep with next to keep a heading with its following paragraph. Make small adjustments and click OK. These pagination controls are the only reliable way to stop Word creating that specific unwanted break. After changing paragraph pagination, remove any manual page break objects you saw earlier. Select them and press Delete. If text still jumps, tweak spacing before /after and check widow/orphan control because tiny settings can force breaks. Finally, inspect styles and section breaks. A style may have page break before enabled, or a section break could be shifting text. If you still see an unexpected break, change the style's pagination or delete the nearby section break.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.